And so basically my mom either gives kids shots or she gives them medicine to make them all better.
Excellent job, class. So what did you bring to share with us today?
The world. It looks like a marble. Your dad makes marbles?
My dad works for Timken.
What is a Timken?
That's a Timken.